Hi, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Been driving since 5 a.m. I have such a bad headache.
Yeah?
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can you wear your seatbelt, please?
I suppose.
So where are you off to today?
It doesn't even reach. I can't wear this. Sorry.
Okay.
Alright,
well,
thanks.
Okay. So where are you off to today?
Whatever the address says, I literally don't know.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I have this microphone. I have an idea.
What?
I have a microphone.
Okay.
I have a really good idea though.
What's your idea?
So like, I have this song that I really like to sing sometimes. I was thinking maybe we could do like a nice like little carpool karaoke situation.
No, I'm sorry. I have a really bad headache and like I've been driving since like 5 a.m. So please, if you could not, if it's okay, I'm just maybe not talk during this ride.
I've been practicing.
Okay. Well.
It's a really good song.
Yeah.
Do you know Hannah Montana?
What do you? No, please don't play Hannah Montana.
You know like Party in the USA by Hannah Montana?
Every American knows that song, so of course I know it, but please don't play that.
So put my hands up,
What do you?
play my song, the butterflies fly away.
Can you stop, please?
Not in my head like yeah.
No, this is not This is not James Corden.
Like, yeah, so
This is not James Corden. What do you?
My microphone died.
Good.
So I put my hands up, playing my song, butterflies fly away.
Are you serious? We're literally gonna get
Not
pulled
in
over.
my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. So I put my hands up,